Himalaya Technology Company Limited, a modern, comprehensive, and professional company located in Changsha City, China, focuses on construction machinery, commercial vehicles, industrial machinery, and spare parts. It has an honest team of high efficiency in sourcing management, production management, quality control, and delivery fulfillment over 20 years. We follow the company principle of passion, professionalism, responsibility, win-win, which drives the company to get a first-class performance and reputation from all suppliers, customers, and the local community. We do the business with honesty and consistency, and truthfully present our capabilities. We stand in your position to design a better solution and solve problems. We do what we promise to the customers, even if it takes extra effort. We are the strategic partners of some big brands in China, have strong relationships with the factories, and can provide new equipment to meet customers' high demand for quality, reliability, and delivery time. Good products, but better commercial terms. Our goal is to build strong partnerships with our clients, and we succeed when our clients succeed. Our business has been expanded worldwide, especially in Central Asia, Russia, Southeast Asia, and Africa. Most of our clients are regular customers. On the used equipment, we never supply these 4 products: fire damaged, flood damaged, accident damaged, and boom prolonged equipment. We try our best to supply the products without fault code on the dashboard. We care not only about outer beauty, but also inner beauty. We put most of our energy and expenses into substantial and beneficial items, such as good original condition of the equipment, functionality, safety, and reliability.
Himalaya! It's just a machine.